Ever been working on a task in ClickUp and thought, hey, I could really use some help right now? Asterisk. Well, you're in luck. ClickUp has a built-in chat feature that makes it super easy to collaborate with your team, no matter where they are. Let's dive in and learn how to chat with someone on ClickUp. Part 1. Finding the chat feature. Introduction. The first step is to locate the chat feature. It's pretty straightforward. Step-by-step guide. Look for the speech bubble icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. This will open up the chat panel. Part 2. Starting a conversation. Introduction. Now that you've found the chat panel, let's start a conversation. Step-by-step guide. Click on the New Chat button at the top of the panel. A new chat window will appear. Start typing the name of the person you want to chat with. As you type, ClickUp will suggest matching names. Select the correct name and click Enter to start the chat. Part 3. Chatting with a team member. Introduction. Once you've started a chat, you can send messages back and forth. Step-by-step guide. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat window. Press Enter to send the message. You'll see your message appear in the chat window. When you receive a message from someone else, it will appear in the chat window as well. Part 4. Using chat features. Introduction. ClickUp's chat feature has a few additional features that can be helpful. Step-by-step guide. Attachments. You can attach files to your messages by clicking the paperclip icon in the text box. Emojis. Add some personality to your messages by using emojis. Click the smiley face icon to access the emoji picker. Mentions. Mention specific team members or tasks by typing at and then their name or task title. Part 5. Managing chats. Introduction. As you start using ClickUp's chat feature, you may find yourself with a lot of conversations going on at once. Step-by-step guide. Pinning chats. Pin important chats to the top of the chat panel by clicking the star icon next to the chat's name. Archiving chats. Archive old chats to keep your chat panel organized. Click the 3 dots next to a chat's name and select Archive. Searching chats. Search for specific messages or conversations using the search bar at the top of the chat panel. Part 6. Best practices for effective chatting. Introduction. To get the most out of ClickUp's chat feature, here are a few best practices to keep in mind. Tips. Be clear and concise. Get to the point with your messages. Use proper grammar and punctuation. This will make your messages easier to read and understand. Respect other people's time. Avoid sending unnecessary or off-topic messages. Use the right channel. For more in-depth discussions or decisions, consider using a different communication tool like a meeting or email. So there you have it. ClickUp's chat feature is a great way to stay connected with your team and collaborate on projects. Remember to find the chat panel, start new conversations, use chat features, manage your chats, and follow best practices for effective chatting. Now that you know how to chat with someone on ClickUp, go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised at how much time and effort it can save you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.